Namaskar. Welcome to another episode of Editorial. A lot of people ask me why am I not talking about Pegasus? Why didn't I give editorial on Pegasus? Honestly, there was no reason for me not to give editorial on Pegasus and all that. ऐसा कोई reason नहीं था. The reason I was not talking about Pegasus and I was talking about other topics is because my colleague Aarti was doing a fabulous job because she had really deep dived into the entire concept of Pegasus and the case and whatever was being written and spoken about. She deep dived into it and she was doing a report almost every day. So I thought she was doing it much better than possibly what I could do. So I didn't talk about Pegasus. I also didn't talk about Pegasus because there were so many people in this country talking about Pegasus, people who are far more informed than what I was. So I didn't talk about Pegasus. ज़्यादा नहीं मालूम रहेगा तो क्यों बोल लेगा? That was it. नहीं बोला मैंने. That is why I didn't speak about Pegasus. So there was no other reason for it. But today I wanted to speak about Pegasus. And I am going to speak about Pegasus. I'm going to speak about Pegasus because this our security chief in the studio नीचे जो हमारा building का security chief है, he's a friend of mine. He claims to watch my editorial every day, and he's a friend of mine. So every day when I come up, I have a chat with him. We have a half a second or 5-second chat. We greet each other at least. Today when I was coming up, he says, सर आपने पेगासस के बारे में बात नहीं किया. You didn't speak about Pegasus. He asked me. I said नहीं मैंने. He said बराबर है सर, आपने को क्या करने का Pegasus? What have we got to do with Pegasus? हमको क्या फर्क पड़ता है? I smiled at him. I got into the lift. And then I wondered, does Pegasus affect him? And the answer is yes. Pegasus affects him. Pegasus will affect him. Pegasus will affect me. Pegasus will affect you. So I decided I will come up and I will speak about Pegasus. And that's exactly what I intend to do. Let's get right with the show. अपने को क्या करने का है? In Hindi we say that. अपने को क्या करने का है? What have we got to do with it? Every problem in this world has started with this question, apne ko kya karne ka hai? Because you know what? The problem never starts with the common man. Problem never starts. When Gestapo was formed, Gestapo is that Nazi police. Gestapo started picking up opponent politicians, opposition party guys. Gestapo started picking up journalists. Gestapo started picking up key opinion leaders. Gestapo started picking up people who are descended to the Nazis. That's who Gestapo started picking up. Roadside से fruit vendor को उठा के नहीं लेके गया. They didn't take the fruit vendor from the roadside. They never did that. They picked up people who started dissenting to the government, and then it started spreading. First it was in a national level, then it became in a state level, then it became in a district level, then it became in a village level, then it became in a gully level. It started happening in the streets. That's how Gestapo grew. Because when Gestapo started, people said, apne ko kya karne ka hai? You see, when Idi Amin's army started killing his opponents, the entire Uganda said, apne ko kya karne ka hai? Then they started seeing bodies in the river and bodies in the jungle and bodies in wherever. Then that they realized, Bapre, so many people have been killed. Because then, first it started with the capital and then it started spreading to every village in Uganda. So the problem always starts with the question, apne ko kya karne ka hai? So, am I therefore saying that, all this is going to happen in India or Indians or our current government is like Nazis? Or no, I am not saying all that. Let us be very clear. I am not saying all that. But I am saying wrong happens when we start thinking, apne ko kya karne ka hai? You see, the world and almost 126 countries in this world recognizes the concept of privacy, right to privacy. Now, what is right to privacy? United Nations on the 10th of December 1948, under the UN General Assembly, adopted this concept of Universal Declaration of Human Rights. And in this concept of Universal Declaration of Human Rights, under Article 12, they said no one shall be subjected to arbitrary interference with his privacy, family, home, or correspondence, nor to attack upon his honor and reputation. Everyone has the right to the protection of the law against such interference and attack. United Nations said this. United Nations General Assembly, Universal Declaration of Human Rights. This is what they said. You cannot breach a person's privacy. You cannot breach a person's correspondence. You cannot breach a person's family, or you cannot just ruin his reputation by breaching something of his private conversation or private letters and putting it in open. You can't do that. You can't do that. That's against human rights. Our constitution, Article 21 of Indian Constitution states that no person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to the procedure established by law. After reading the Article 21, it has been interpreted that the term life includes all those aspects of life which go to make a man's life meaningful, complete, and worth living. This is what the Constitution says. Constitution has linked the right to privacy with the right to life. Because for me to lead a respectable life, I need my privacy. If I don't have my privacy, if you breach my privacy, you are breaching my life. This is what the Constitution of India, Article 21 says. Because Article 21 says you have to see it with the right to life. So, privacy is as important as breathing, if you technically look at it according to Article 21. And it is correct. It is correct. Because you see, my country is my house. Imagine tomorrow you walk into your house, and when you before you sit and have a cup of tea with your wife and children, you have to look around to see, Baba, mera koi bugged hai kya? Mera koi camera hai kya? In your own house. Imagine if you have to do that. Imagine when you get into the bathroom, first check for any mirrors or any cameras in your bathroom which somebody is recording. Imagine if you have to do it every day. And juxtapose that house to be your country, where one has to be worried in our own country, in my own country, if I have to be worried that a phone call of mine is going to be tapped, or a letter of mine is going to be taken away, or what I say, what I do is going to be recorded. If that's going to be the case, it's exactly because isn't our country our home? And our home our country. Isn't that the same? Now the question of apne ko kya karne ka hai? You see, like I said, everything starts in the same place. The opposition, the journalist, the key opinion leaders, people who are dissenting, people who protest. It starts with them. And then it percolates down and down and down and down and down till it reaches your neighbor. And slowly, it will reach you. Because nothing stays. Nothing stays. Things percolate. So it is never going to be that it will not concern me, because today or tomorrow it is going to concern you. And that is why Pegasus is important for us to know and us to understand why it happened, if it happened. And to say that if it has happened, it is wrong. You know, a lot of questions, a lot of people have written to in Aarti's show. I have seen a lot of people writing saying that, Are, you are talking about rights. What about duties? You know, so, they quote that ask not what the country has done for you and what you've done for the country. Is it right? Of course it is right. Should you be doing your duty with your responsibility? Of course you should be doing. Rights and duties should go hand in hand. But rights and duties should go hand in hand. Try not paying taxes and then see what happens to you. Try doing that. Try not doing your duty in India and see what happens to you. You will be picked up by your collar if you are not a big man. You will be picked up by your collar and put behind bars. That is what happens to you if you don't do your duty. But what happens if you don't get your rights? Who is questioned? Can you put a minister or a lawmaker behind bars saying that you didn't allow us to practice our rights? How many lawmakers have gone behind bars because they have prevented people from exercising their rights? Have you heard a story? I will tell you 10,000 stories of people who have gone behind bars because they have not done their duties. That's the point. While all this is right, sounds very right. Okay, right is as important. When you always talk about right, what about your duty? Of course, we should speak about our duty. Of course, we are responsible for our country. It's our country. And that's precisely why I'm talking like this. It's our country. It's our home. Of course, we should be talking about our duties. But that doesn't mean that we should not be talking about rights. And the people who talks about their rights are anti-national. That is also not correct. So, my point that I wanted to make about Pegasus is, if this has happened, which more or less a lot of people say it has, the government denies it. I don't know. Let us wait and figure out what comes out of it. But if it has happened, then it's a clarion call. And it involves each and every Indian. It happened to somebody else today. It will happen to us tomorrow. If it has happened, I again and again mention this. If it has happened, then the government is responsible to answer us. The third point that one raises, it has been happening since long back. Every government has tapped their phone. So every government was wrong, for crying out loud. Every government did it, so what? We also continue to do it. The next government also continue to do it. And this is precisely why, if you don't question now, and if we don't raise our voice now, and we don't say that this is wrong and this should stop, this will not end with this government. The next government will do more. The next to next government will do more and more. So, if it has happened, it concerns every Indian. And if it has happened, then every Indian should be aware that what has happened is wrong. That's all I want to say. Let me, as usual, say that we require your subscription. If you can, join us on our YouTube. If you can, subscribe to us through our website, www.hwnews.in. There are one-time subscription. There are monthly subscription. Please do subscribe. Your support is needed for us to run the show. Till I see you next time. Namaskar.